Hi all, this evening we are looking at the US dollar CAD, dollar Canadian dollar. If we look here up to the top left hand corner, 2015 we saw the dollar CAD pretty much all time high, and then we started to fall. Once we got to the bottom here, we can see we can then create a descending channel with the market retracing back to the top of the descending channel, and then it started falling back down again. Around this area here, the market started moving sideways, but we moved sideways and slightly upwards to form a breakout, a retest, and a continued breakout. And we've put this into a channel formation to easily identify this breakout. The market started moving sideways, and now it looks to be looking to break through this channel and fall back into the original descending channel. If we have a closer look, we can see where the market's starting to break down here, and what we would like to see is a slight breakout followed by a retest. It may go a bit higher up here if we were to put a fib probably on the 50 level, followed by a continued fall to the downside. Looking back on the weekly view, this will be our fall, and then a nice gentle fall back into this main area. I've highlighted here the key swing low points, which will be sticking points and small bouncing areas prior to it coming back into the descending channel. This looks the way because if we look at the US dollar, the dollar's starting to decline. We can see a nice shoulder pattern here ahead, and this looks like another shoulder. With we've marked this as a channel for the breakout, and it looks like the market's classic breakthrough, retest, and now we're looking for a continued move to the downside. It might be choppy, but this is roughly what we'd be looking for to complete our head and shoulders pattern, and this would be in line with the fall on the dollar CAD around here. We have a quick look in on the day view. We can see on the left hand side the market's going to hit an area here as well where there's some buyers, hence the move retracement back, but ultimately we should be keeping an eye on this for the next few days to see if we come back up to around the 50 level prior to move to the downside. Just keep an eye on the week. It's a good indicator, but this is about 1,000 pip move, long-term trade, 1,500 pips to get back into the descending channel. So if we can get a good entry up here, it's a long-term. Over the next couple of months towards Christmas, we could be back into this overall descending channel. Any questions or comments, let us know.